OMG! Ang Hello Glow products ay naka 50% off in all Watson's branches nationwide.
Ongoing ba dito yung sale na 50% sa Hello Glow?
Yes, ma'am.
May discount pa yan? Yung 360?
Opo. You heard it right. Ang ating mga favorite Hello Glow products ay naka-sale sa lahat ng mga Watson's branches nationwide. At dahil malapit na ang summer, must have itong Hello Glow Sun Care Stick. From $395 to $197.50 na lang. Bumili na rin ako ng Hello Glow Whitening Quelch. Must have din itong Hello Glow Magic Tint. From $165 to $82.50 na lang. At ang Hello Glow All Natural Whitening Set. From $360 to $147.50 pesos na lang. Kaya visit na sa Watson's branches nearest you and grab your favorite Hello Glow products. Huwag niyo itong palalampasin dahil limited time offer lang ito. By the way, they are also running a fantastic promotion right now. So click the yellow basket and grab it before it sells out. Bye-bye!